Greetings, fellow crafters. It is your Hallow Queen speaking, and in this video we are going to do a post review for Diamond Dot's Snow Sisters, plus one little extra. Stay tuned. Hello again. Okay, so yeah, today is the 27th of May, and I just finished up Diamond Dot's Snow Sisters. I didn't have too many problems with it. I did have a couple minor things that I'd like to go over, but for the most part it was fairly easygoing as far as painting goes. It is a partial. The canvas size was 47 centimeters by 47 centimeters square. The actual drill size, which was advertised in the box as the painting size, was 40 by 40. I paid $39.99 for it at a local store here in town called Given. And these paintings are pretty widely available in craft shops and other small shops, so you should be able to find them pretty much anywhere. But let's take a look and see. Oh, got some schmutz in the canvas here. All right, how can I see? I can't seem to get the camera zoomed out far enough without having to end up on the ceiling. We're still trying out new camera things, but look at this. Get it all the way down there. Yep. So this is a partial. This part here is a graphic, and the clothing for the girls and their hair and some snow stuff that's around them is all in diamonds. The rest is a graphic. See, all this stuff up here is all diamonds. And there are some white ABs in there, which you probably can see in Elsa's hair. And in some of the snow elements. This came out really nice. I'm really quite happy with it. My girls are ecstatic. This is going to go in their room once the frame comes in. I've ordered one from IKEA. It sounds like it's going to be a while before it gets here, so they're really backed up. So yeah, it turned out pretty well. I'm going to zoom you in a little bit to show you a couple little issues I had with it. Trying to get sick. Okay, so right up here, yeah, you can sort of see it on the camera. There's a little bit of a wrinkle in the adhesive. It lifts up, it's visible. It didn't actually interfere with placing the drills at all, but it is an annoyance that I don't like. Oh, can it maybe pull off? No. It's not a wrinkle. It's just a little blip of canvas fuzz, and it pulled right off. Heh. Okay, I'll take that one back. So there's nothing visible there. It's not annoying. It's fine. There is a spot under Elsa's arm that it looks like there should be drills in there. It kind of looks like there's symbols, but there's not, and it's not sticky. Well, it is a little bit sticky there. But they're definitely, if they're supposed to be symbols, they're not visible at all. So I just took that as leaving it blank. The other thing that I found, and I'm going to zoom you in. You're already zoomed in. See if I can get it so it shows both of these symbols. There were two symbols that were really close together in the canvas. They were in really similar backgrounds. There they are. So one is the check mark, and the other is this Y symbol. They are both brown. One is slightly lighter than the other, and they both appear in Anna's clothing. You can see it in her sleeve here, and they both appear in the flowing parts of her hair, and they were so similar that they were really easy to flip around if you weren't being really, really careful. So that was a bit of a problem. I'm going to zoom it back out now. But a light pad probably would have fixed that. Mine still hasn't arrived yet. Other than those 3 fairly minor issues, this came out well. It took me about 10 days to finish, largely because I started it, and then my oldest daughter my oldest daughter was really upset when she found out that she wasn't going to be able to go back to school this year at all. And I let her work on this sort of as to give you something to do, to mollify you a little bit. But she decided that a painting this big was really too much for her. She told me it felt like work. So I took it back over and I finished it fairly quickly after that. But other than that, it was a pretty easy go, as you would expect from a retail commercial project. So I would definitely do another one of these again. The only sticking point is the price. $39.99 is a lot of money for a partial. But I most likely will be doing them again because they're local and because they have all the licenses for Disney, Marvel, and Harry Potter stuff. And my girls are nuts over those, so we will probably end up doing more of these again. Okay, the other one I wanted to show you is the little bonus, is Green Eyed Sparkle. And the little creator is over here trying not to squeal. She finished this in about an hour. She actually managed to sit and do it all in one session. It's got the AB diamonds in the blaze here, and just 5 colors. It came together really quick for her. She had a great time doing it, and she's been bugging me to kit up the other one, which I will do today.
Yay, finally! It feels like I've been waiting for years for you to kid it
That's
up.
because you have no attention span, so everything seems like it takes forever.
Yes.
Yes! Okay, so that's Green Eyed Sparkle and Snow Sisters. Definitely would do again. I'm going to probably do a de-kitting of these ones before I kit up hers, but overall I'm pretty happy with it. Thank you so much for joining us. If you like this video, share it with your friends, hit the like button, ring the bell and subscribe if you would like to do those. Stick around for a bit. I've got a couple of other videos coming up, and I will talk to you in the future.